Alright everyone, and welcome back to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex, and today is May 6th, 2025. We've got an interesting one from Hugging Face's Trending Papers, published just about 8 days ago. It's the Llama 3.1 Foundation AI Security LLM Base 8B Technical Report. So this research paper presents Foundation-Sec-8B, a large language model, or LLM, focused on cybersecurity. It's built on Llama 3.1 and enhanced using continued pre-training on a curated cybersecurity corpus. Okay, so the first figure we see here on page 2 gives an overview of their core results. It compares Foundation-Sec-8B's accuracy against other models on 2 benchmarks, CTI Bench, MCQA, and RCM. Well, what's striking is that Foundation-Sec-8B significantly outperforms its Llama 3.1 base. And importantly, it even surpasses GPT-4o Mini on the RCM task, highlighting its specialized strength in cyber threat intelligence. So, how did they achieve these impressive results? Well, this next figure on page 5 details their 3-stage data collection and processing pipeline. They start with a massive 4 terabytes of raw data from a wide net scraper, then run it through parallelized processing, including language, quality, and relevancy filters. Finally, a training preparation stage with deduplication and tokenization yields about 25 gigabytes, or 5 billion tokens, of high-quality cybersecurity data. Okay, so to ensure that 25 gigabytes of data was truly high quality, this figure on page 6 shows the relevancy classifier's confusion matrix. Well, this visualizes how accurately their model sorted documents as cybersecurity relevant versus irrelevant. And as you can see, it performed quite well, which was essential for curating that focused training dataset we just talked about for their continued pre-training. Building on that curated dataset, this table on page 7 now quantifies the impact. It lays out Foundation-Sec-8B's performance against other models on selected cybersecurity benchmarks. We clearly see substantial gains over its Llama 3.1 base, like a 14.29% boost on CTI Bench RCM. What's also notable is its strong showing against models like GPT-4o Mini, particularly on that RCM task, underscoring the benefit of their approach. Okay, so to give us a better sense of how these models were actually tested on those multiple choice question answering, or MCQA tasks we've been discussing, this figure from page 20 illustrates the few-shot prompt format. Well, it basically shows example questions about computer security like, the deep web is anything which your search engine cannot search. The model is then expected to respond with answer D, for example. So that prompt format gives us a window into their evaluation. Wrapping things up then, the clear message is that focused, continued pre-training on a high-quality cybersecurity dataset really empowers smaller LLMs. Foundation-Sec-8B shows it can match or beat larger models on specific cyber tasks, and by releasing it, they're hoping to spur more AI innovation and security. That's our roundup for today. Thanks for joining, and see you next time.